Okay. Allow me to take this opportunity to welcome you.
Izoberi akakiiko ka Parliament k'ebyobushubuzi oburambuzi n'amakorero akarukurwa mwine mpaka kabugana aho abakogokorwa mu kitongole cy'eby'oburambuzi okugezaho kureba enkoresa ya sente za gavumenti aho bashanga ngo barukore bitimba by'amashanyarazi mu marindiro g'enyamishwa bakabiha emihendo mu kukora emirimo obwe bakugira ngo bakakoresa miliyoni nkagana 3 buri kilomita okurugero ku byakozerwe nicyoreka ngo kushusha kilomita emwe bakakoresa miliyoni emwe okuhanika ekitimba habikondo kilomita emwe bakakoresa emitwaro 30 okutimba ebyinigana nkaga bakakoresa emitwaro 825 wiring hamwe n'okutama ebikondo buri kilomita emwe bakakoresa miliyoni emwe n'ecweka.
Now tell us what else makes it 62 or 63 million.
First of all, it was a pilot project that was started off by Space for Giants. This organization first fenced 5 kilometers, and we thought it was very interesting because the 5 kilometers that were fenced by Space for Giants worked so well. It repelled the elephants especially, and I want to state that this is an more of elephant fence, electric fence. It is not the comprehensive one that stops all other wildlife.
But when you actually also say there is electric fencing in Kidepo, I wonder whether that is right. My accounting officer, have we done electric fencing in Kidepo? So I think I would also wish to...
Don't divert us. Okay, let's start afresh. Please administer the oath.
Akakiiko kagaruka kashanga procurement officer nababiha aho bamuteze kirahiro kugamba amazima nuko kubagira ngo nabo bakaba batine bukugubura kumara nuko kwa company ya Space Giants sokore mirimo otiro no kubagurira ibintu byo koresa ekiro kuhenda amateka ga PPDA.
Now what we procure from headquarters are real materials. That is electric fence materials and poles. After procuring that, we take them to the park, and the park does the construction.
Nabwo nyuma bashabo kurete bandiko ibindi byabero kuborayo bakagaruka mu kakiiko nuko kamwe okongera kwetegereza enshongezi.
Twenda nchakara umuntu agire nk'umukambushinga tumwampabwire bwo kushobora batshanga baze kwetereza baronde papere binchakare bagaruke batushobore so twabaho bwire bwabo.
Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.